The jalapeno challenge.
Even though they're not French, they're
spicy as a motherfucker.
Okay, we good to go?
You're good to go.
I'm about to eat all these.
Inhale.
Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9.
You've got 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
1,
Oh, nigga.
2, 3, 4.
Your asshole gonna be burnt too. All for some cigarettes. $3.10 worth of cigarettes. Oh.
I'm not really that hot.
Oh yeah. Just wait.
Not yet.
Watch your ears ring the alarm. Watch them. You better swallow. Fuck a chew, you better swallow whole.
Come here. Man, that was all gone. Okay, thanks. That was the jalapeno challenge. 9 down. And that was hot. Bye.
I said, okay, bye.
I got my cigarette, so
Okay,
give me
bye.
this. Give me this.
No, don't eat it all. Okay, thank you.
You're still filming?
You're suffering. It's the best part.
Yeah, that is the best part when you're suffering.
It was worth it because I get to smoke 20
Do you want to
cigarettes
explain
later.
why it looks like your straw has a condom?
What?
Would you like to explain why your straw has a condom?
Because Jen is awesome and she gave me a ribbon to hold my straw in. Oh, bro. Just kidding.
JK, nigga, JK.
JK. Okay.
Is your ears ringing?
My nose is starting to run a little bit.
Ah. He is running away. Would you like to catch it?
Yeah, I need to catch it.
Oh, yeah.